Greetings to all judges. My name is David, and in this video we are going to learn how to use Dragon software for making your legal documents. Now as you can see, where I'm moving my cursor, this is the Dragon icon. All you have to do is double click on the icon and the Dragon software will get launched with your voice profile and you will be able to see the Dragon toolbar. Now to switch on the microphone, either you can click on your microphone icon or you can use the F2 key on your keyboard to switch on and switch off your microphone. Now let's start with the dictation. Open Microsoft Word, maximize window, order below exhibit number 18, select line, all caps that, center that, new line, passed on the date 14/09/2022, select line, bracket that, new line, left align that. This is an application filed by the respondent under the section 340 of the Code of the Criminal Procedure, full stop. That was the small video of how to dictate with a legal document. Now, however, if you still find any issues, please find an exclusive Bombay High Court service support details as follows. New line, insert service support details. Thank you for watching.